Today's meeting will be very brief. We're about taking a serious decision on Agbaletu and his business. He will soon go bankrupt. However, let's listen to testimonies from Idi and Okuku.
My Lord Spiritual, and all the members of this sect, I am grateful for the support. The battle between me and the man I reported during the last meeting was won in our favor. Ọmọ kan ṣoṣo tó jẹ́ ọkùnrin tó gbẹ́kẹ̀lé. Ọmọ ti gbèkúrú jẹ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀bọra. Ilé mi náà bá kó ẹsẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ mo bá lọ lé wọn láti lọ kí ẹ má bàa sọ mí di aláìdá èèyàn. Ulululu.
My Lord Spiritual, I equally appreciate the support I got from this great sect. I won the contract as predicted. Indeed, whoever doesn't belong here doesn't belong anywhere.
My Lord Spiritual, and all other members of this great fraternity, I greet you all. I'm speaking on behalf of Agbaletu, knowing that he's already on suspension, and I, being second in rank to him, I'm here to speak for him as he has sent me.
Go on.
Thank you, my Lord Spiritual. We all know the reason why it has been difficult lately for Agbaletu to fulfill his vows. However, he has asked me to plead on his behalf for more time. And he assured me that after the suspension has been lifted and is reunited back to us here, he is going to bring double of his contributions.
How much time did he ask for?
Thank you, my Lord Spiritual. He requested for 3 times 7.
Granted. But if he fails, his life will not only be taken, his business will go for it, and his only surviving son will go for it.
My Lord Spiritual, thank you for your kindness, for your generosity. I will communicate to him as you have sent me.
Dad, I have told you that I prefer to return to UK to practice rather than stay here. But I wouldn't know why you insist that I work here. Especially at your friend's hospital. Dad, I hope this is not for selfish reasons.
Akin. Ama lokonle. Ka for oko maybe. You are a well-trained medical doctor. My very good friend here, a friend of long standing, is a medical consultant. He is the chief medical director of one of the best hospitals in the town here. Akin, do you think it is logical to allow you travel to that your far UK for a job that is not readily available? When, with my friend here, there's a well-paid job readily available, and in a situation where your services are seriously needed. Okay.
However,
Alright?
My friend, I will definitely take care of him. More than your expectation.
Aleni yóò yá kó pẹ́. Asùnbí yóò pẹ́ kó yá.
Tẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ dé, ó yé mi jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
The Lord will uphold you.
Thank you very much for your kind gesture, sir. Dad, thank you too. Thank you so much. Jesus of Nazareth.
Holy Ghost, Kapata Sotoria, Holy Spirit.
Emma, àwa kò mọ̀ yín o.
Akin, Alọ́rọ̀.
Mo ń gbọ́.
Kì í ṣe níbí. Nítorí pé ìwọ nìkan ni àwa bá ní ọ̀rọ̀.
ọ̀rọ̀ yẹ̀wù ẹnìkan yìí sọ ní gbangba yá wọlé ká lọ sọ̀rọ̀.
Into where? Ìyàwó tèmi. I don't know you. Please, whatever you have to say it here. Nǹkan tẹ́ bá fẹ́ sọ. So if you cannot say it here, then you may please take your leave.
Akin, ẹni ló mọ̀ pé ẹ̀mẹ́ta. Sórí, má ta wá lẹ́nu. Nítorí pé bàbá rẹ̀ kò ta wá lẹ́nu.
Mi ìmọ̀ ọdún máa ń ṣẹ̀yìn àgbàlagbà yìí ò ẹ débí. Ẹ kànlẹ̀kùn mo lè jáde sí yín, mo ti jẹ̀bi. Ẹni lọ́rọ̀ tẹ́ fẹ́ bá mi sọ, mo ní mò ń gbọ́. Ẹ wá ní kí mo wọ yẹ̀, who does that? Ṣé mo mọ̀ yín mi mọ̀ yín náà? I cannot open my door for you to go in. If you have anything to say it now. I'm here.
Akin, are we now your object of insult? Let's go in now to discuss.
No way. You cannot go in. This is my house. And I cannot open my door for you to step in. Please, if you have anything to say it now. And here. Otherwise, you can keep quiet or go. If you are not comfortable, please, just take your leave.
My people, he said we should take our leave.
Holy Spirit.
Jesus!
Holy Spirit, fight for us.
Love of Jesus! Hey!
Fight for us.
Love of Jesus! Hey!
What nonsense! You this girl, you are stupid! Did you allow them to come in here? Did you not see their clothes, white clothes? Could you not...
Honey, Mama told me about their coming. I never knew it would be so soon. They have come to demand for what is theirs.
Demand for what? Demand for what is theirs? What is theirs in my possession that they have come to demand for? I don't know them.
Honey, they know you. They even mention your name, Ake. They know you.
They know me? Oh, why are you insinuating?
They called your name. I heard them. They said Ake. They were mentioning your name. Honey, are you sure Daddy is not a member?
My father that I know, a member of what?
The fraternity.
Which fraternity?
I said, Honey, why are you being childish? Don't you know that those men, they have representative of a fraternity?
So, what exactly do they want from me?
Honey, Haki, you are the only son of your father, and now he's gone.
And what?
Maybe not.
Woman, you have still not said anything. Okay, and I ask you that what could these people that I do not know want from me?
I don't know.
But you claimed that
I said maybe they come for what is theirs.
Okay. And I ask you that what could these people that I do not know want from me?
Two things. Maybe they have come to perform their rights on Daddy.
Which right? On you? Which Daddy? On my father's corpse? God forbid.
Secondly, maybe you have been donated as a replacement.
Keep short. I said keep short. What nonsense? Donate who for what? Did you ever hear it from anybody that my father was a member of any secret court? If you have forgotten, let me remind you that my own father was an elder in his church. Is it possible that they made a courtist, an elder, or a leader in the church? Do they do that in your own family church? Honey, you are crossing your boundaries on this matter. And I'd like you to watch your tongue, especially when it has to do with my father.
Honey, I'm sorry. I never knew you'd be upset. But why are they here? They mentioned your name.
And I told you that I don't know why they came. Now do I know what they want from me. We both came out here together and we saw them sitting here. They left without telling us their mission.
No problem.
So, how am I supposed to know what they wanted? Are you this gentleman? Oh, now could you allow these people in white to drive in to this compound and they came out and you did not tell me?
Thank you, sir.
Why did you refuse them?
Who, sir?
Their representatives.
Which representatives?
If I were you, I would have complied with their requests. Are you not a man?
Sir, are you saying that I should have followed unknown men to an unknown place for an unknown discussion?
They are not strangers. They are your father's friends.
But I don't know them.
If I were you, I would have done two things.
What?
I would have asked my mother who they are and why they came.
Really?
Secondly, I would have asked my mother why my father was always going about with 3 cowries in his wallet.
What?
Akin, why are you being childish? Anyway, ẹjọ́ là ń kọ́ ẹnìkan ìkọjá. Good day.
Good day, sir.
But why did you take me away from the visitors?
We could not discuss this matter in their presence. Mom, is it true that my dad always went about with 3 cowries in his wallet?
Aki, is that why you brought me here? Don't tell me you don't know that. It is a symbol of your father's club.
Which club?
The fraternity.
Which fraternity? Are you now saying that my dad belonged to a secret cult?
Who doesn't know that?
And those that made him an elder in the church also knew about this secret?
Which secret? Aki, which secret are you talking about? Majority of them knew.
And they still made him an elder in the church?
Don't tell me you don't know why they made him an elder. Was it because of his spiritual life? No. And Aki, I'm surprised at this stupid question you are asking me. Aki, why did you insult those men that visited you last night?
But Mom, how did you know that? I never insulted anybody. And besides, what exactly do they want from me? What is it that they wanted?
Aki, don't tell me you don't know why they came. Okay, I will tell you. They came visiting to pay you homage. A sign of honor to the eldest son of a deceased hero. Your father was an hero. And they do that to every faithful member.
How could a single person be faithful in the church and still at the same time be faithful to an occultic society? How?
Secondly, they visited you to inform you about their intention to remove your father's heart before we bury him.
What nonsense! What is this that you are saying, Mom? I will not accept this.
Lower your voice, or I will get out of here. When you knew you will blow it. Why did you bring me here, away from my visitors? We could have as well discussed it in the living room, where everybody is.
I'm very sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
Okay. Coming to inform you was just a sign of honor to you. You can't stop them. No one can.
No way.
Aki, he hurt other people's hearts, and they will hit his own heart.
No. I will not allow this to happen to my father. No. Over my dead body.
The truth must be told. You can't stop them. You will only prolong the matter, and they will eventually win.
I am a Christian. And I will not accept this. I repeat that I cannot allow this to happen to my father.
It is too late. Aki, it is too late. You could have labored more in prayers and preaching to your father before he died. Now it is too late. The one you serve while alive deserves the right to dictate how your corpse will be handled when you die.
How?
Okay. I may not read the Bible as much as you do, but I know the devil fought over Moses' corpse because of a stain in his life. But the one whom Moses truly saved while alive intervened and prevailed over the devil. Unfortunately, your father served the devil while alive, and we can't stop the agent of the devil from participating in his burial rites. We can't.
No, I can't be part of this. I will not allow this. I cannot be part of this.
Ọmọdé sure, you are playing with fire.
I'm honestly short of words. If you were in my shoes, what would you have done in a situation like this?
I don't understand. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we should see the pastor.
What for?
So that at least the pastor can counsel you and then pray with you.
Never mind. I'll figure it out. But I will not allow those old fools tamper with my father's body. I am a child of God.
I honestly understand with you. But my fear is this. You are fighting this battle alone. You are a lone ranger in this battle. And you are fighting with the arm of the flesh.
Does that really matter?
I still think that you have to see the pastor.
My brother, let's read Romans chapter 6, verse 16.
Romans 6:16. Surely you know that when you surrender yourself as slaves to obey someone, you are in fact the slaves of the master you obey, either of sin, which results in death, or of obedience, which results in being put right with God.
Baba, while alive, I mean your dad, gave himself to the devil as a slave and spent his days obeying the laws of the fraternity he belonged to. There is almost nothing we can do about this. Does it really matter?
What, sir?
Fighting for his body.
But he is my father.
I know, but of what importance is salvaging the body of a man whose soul is burning in hell? We should have spent this energy in salvaging his soul when he was still alive. I think it's rather too late, because it is appointed unto a man to die once, and after this, judgment follows. Hebrews 9:27.
Are you now saying that I should allow those old fools cut my father's heart?
That is difficult to answer, but his heart belongs to the devil already. I'm sorry I sounded harsh. I didn't mean to be rude, but your father, while alive, willingly sold his heart to the devil. There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do right now to claim the dead heart. The devil owns the real heart already. That physical one you are fighting over is of little importance. If those men don't hit it, worms will eventually hit it. The real heart that we should fight over already belongs to the devil.
Oh, the hell is this? Mom. No, I can't attend to any call now. Please, no, skip this for me.
Sir, are you sure you can do this?
I will try.
You're nervous and you know the implication of this.
I will try.
Sir, I think we should get someone else on this, sir. Because something about me tells me you cannot handle this.
This is an emergency.
I know, but I still think that we should still get someone else on this. I can make a few phone calls.
Okay. Get Dr. Sean and Dr. Love info.
Yes.
Tell them how urgent it is.
Okay, I'll do that.
Have you gotten them?
Yes, I put a call through to Dr. Love. Although he's very busy, but he said he will get here as soon as he can.
Okay. Then get Dr. Sean. Don't you hear me? I said get Dr. Sean.
Sir, that won't be necessary, sir.
Why? Is Dr. Olaofe here already?
So I needed to take heart. She gave up.
Who gave up?
Sir, please take heart. I'll need you to be very strong.
Are you saying that they don't gave up?
Sir, please, take